Hey folks, so I wanted to show you, this is the perfect landscaping for backyard. We've got the caliandra bushes in, they're evergreen and they'll cover that whole wall. And there's one of the flowers up there, those red flowers, which is why it makes it a favorite for hummingbirds to nest in and build their nest. And then we have liriopes at the bottom. So liriopes are not gonna have leaves that fall into the pool. And most of all, this is, a lot of kids are intending on playing here, so we put the marathon sod down. But the nice thing about marathon sod is that this marathon sod is that it's watered with Rainbird copper shield technology drip irrigation. So it was just installed a week ago, and we had a record-breaking heat wave over the past week, and you can see it's doing well. So for more information, you can check out our other videos on Rainbird Copper Shield Drip Irrigation Subsurface for lawns. Check out the little pollinator fountain there. Very cool stuff. Thanks for watching.